What's up everyone, it's Natalie here and today I am filming a get ready with me. I'm so excited because I have not filmed one of these videos in a really long time and I love get ready with me so much. Okay, I just walked up the stairs because I forgot my microphone on my camera and I'm literally out of breath already, so that's kind of embarrassing. Today I am filming a very natural, simple get ready with me. It's an everyday get ready with me. This is kind of what I have been doing for the past few weeks, especially in the summer. As you guys can tell, my face is so oily right now. It's actually grossing me out. I don't know why it's this oily. We're gonna fix that with the makeup. If you guys are new to my channel, hey, I'm Natalie. I film videos like this. I film college videos, I film advice videos, lifestyle, anything like that. So if you guys wanna subscribe and like this video, then be sure to do that. And you guys can follow me on Instagram, all of that stuff, because yeah, I gotta self-promo myself, okay? That's my job. But anyways, right now I am actually in the shop Barbu studio, which is my online store studio, so that's why the background is like all white, because this is where we take the photos. But I am just gonna get started because I want to chat with you guys. We're just gonna talk, we're gonna have a good time. If you guys are doing your makeup while watching this, let me know. Let me know what you guys are doing while you're watching this, because I always play YouTube in like the background of things, or like if I'm working out or if I'm doing my own makeup, like you guys are just, yeah, so let me know, what are we doing together? I am first gonna start off with the Sephora green tea exfoliating wipes, just because my face is so greasy right now, and I had like a little bit of concealer on from earlier. So first I'm gonna use the little clean, like nice and gentle side. This gross oil off, like I don't understand why I have so much oil on my face, but that's what we're gonna do. I'm gonna go in with the exfoliating side and just exfoliate my face a little bit, because I have been loving these wipes just for that purpose, so that I can exfoliate without having to remember to exfoliate, because I'm the worst at like remembering to exfoliate my body, remembering to exfoliate my face, remember like all those things we gotta do once a week, like hair masks and stuff. I just don't do them. I'm gonna let my face dry a little bit. Okay, once that is dry and set, I am gonna go in with my Spackle Tinted Under Makeup Primer in the color Champagne by Laura Geller. This thing is seriously amazing. This is my favorite primer. You guys have seen this in literally all my videos because I use it every single day, you guys. It's awesome. It makes you like all like shiny and sparkly, but in a really good way, because it's underneath your foundation and it smells good, and it's just been my favorite product for a really long time. Next, after that, we're going to take my L'Oreal Lumi Lotion. This is another one of my favorite products for a really long time. I've seriously been obsessed with this product. Also, I want you guys to comment down below what stage of life you guys are in right now, just so I can target my videos for whatever you guys are mostly in, because I've had people DM me and they're like, thank you for making like more adult videos, because I feel like a lot of YouTubers stick to like a younger audience. Like if you guys are younger, I want to cater to you guys, but if you guys are older, I want to cater to you guys too. So I'm just trying to find like a happy medium for what stage of life you guys are in, because I know I love watching people that are closer to my age, so I would love to hear that. After that, I know I do look a little greasy right now, but this foundation that we're gonna put on is seriously the best foundation I've ever tried. It's my new go-to. It's so amazing, you guys. It is Revlon Photo Ready Insta Filter, and it is a foundation. I'm the color 330, which is natural tan. This is seriously, like, not sponsored, you guys, the best foundation, and it's a drugstore one, which I love because that means it's cheap, and I like the applicator. I think it's really cool. So you twist it from the bottom, and then you just like, I just like put a little lines on my face, and it's a sponge, so I think you're supposed to rub it in with this, but I don't really use that at all. I just use my beauty blender, but I just like apply it that way. It just seriously leaves me so like flawless, but it doesn't look like I have any foundation on my face. So it's so nice. I'm obsessed with this foundation. Make sure to bring it down your neck, because I literally forget to do that all the time. And then my mom is like, Natalie, you have like a straight line on your neck. And I'm like, oh, that's nice. Also, have you guys been liking my videos lately? I want to know if you guys like my work videos, or just what are your favorite videos of mine that I film. That would help me a lot. So if you have any favorite specific ones, let me know. I don't want to only do college videos because I don't want to be a college YouTuber like classified as just strictly that because I am 22, I just graduated. So kind of like what I was saying, like I want to cater it more to people that are older but still cater to my young audience. So I'll still obviously do college videos because I just like filming them, but I don't want like every single one of my videos to be that. And seriously, you guys, like you don't see any pores, it's just like the most flawless finished foundation ever. I cannot rave about it enough. I think it's amazing. Next, I am using my NARS concealer. This is just like the Radiant concealer. I'm in the color Custard medium 1, and I'm just applying this underneath my eyes. I don't really do the whole like nose, forehead, chin with the concealer just because I think it makes the foundation look a little cakier whenever I do that, and I don't really feel the need to brighten that up, I guess. So I'm just doing it like strictly underneath my eyes, beating it in with my beauty blender. And then after that, I'm going in with the Laura Mercier translucent powder, and just with my beauty blender, I'm taking that and like beating that into my skin. And it's kind of like baking, except I like press it deep enough in that I don't have to wipe it off after. And I don't put powder anywhere else. I normally just put it underneath my eyes because I feel like if I put powder other places, I look too cakey, which is the opposite of what I'm trying to do right now. So this product I'm using is this Marc Jacobs Dewdrops or highlighter drops. What are these called? Yeah, Dewdrops. In the color Do You, and seriously, it's amazing. I'm almost, okay, not almost out, but I've used more than half, which is very impressive. I just put it like a little tiny bit on my beauty blender. That's literally all I put on. It's so tiny of an amount. And then I put it, actually, honestly, I put like way too much right now. Okay, hold on. I'm gonna put however much I need. Okay, and I don't wanna overdo it. So I'm gonna put the rest on my hand and waste product, which I hate, but I don't want to look bad, so beat this in. I've been saying the word beat so much, I'm so sorry. I just like tap this into my skin, and it's so pretty, and it's just such a nice glow. See, I have like a harsh line, so I'll go in with the side that I did my foundation and just try like rubbing it in even more to kind of cover those lines up. And now for bronzer, I just want to make my skin look in general just like nice and glowy, not like a super harsh contour or anything like that. So I'm going in with this Urban Decay Beach Bronzed in the color Bronzed, and I'm using just this like kind of fluffy brush, and I'm gonna just like just apply it on the high point, like just gonna apply it on my cheekbones and swirl it kind of around my face so it's gonna be more blended instead of like a harsh contour. Then I'll go back in with my beauty blender and just like rub everything in to make sure there's no harsh lines or anything like that, because that's not what I want. That's not cute. This is just supposed to make you look very, very natural and like yourself, but you have makeup on just to like amplify it, but it's not to make it look like you have makeup on, if that makes sense. And then I'm going in with this blush from Flesh, and this is in the color Bloom. It's just like a super natural pinky color, and I'm just going to apply that on the apples of my cheek. And for eyebrows, I'm just going to fill them in with my Precisely My Brow pencil, and I'm just filling them in, going along with the natural shape. So I really just did it like the inner part of my eyebrow just to fill in any sparse hairs, and then the very ends just to like take the tail out a little more, but I didn't really fill in the middle as much because I don't want it to look super dramatic since the rest of my face is not. And then I'm going in with the Maybelline Maybelline Brow Drama, and it's a sculpting brow gel, and I'm just going to lightly brush my eyebrows up so that they stay in place. And as for lips, to complete this natural look, I'm taking this just Rose Balm, the Smith's Mint Lip Balm. It's really, really nice lip balm, and it gives it a little gloss, so I'm just applying that on my lips. And that is the finished look. I literally do this every morning. It's so easy. I have like eyelash extensions in, but they're basically all fallen out. But even though I still have like 5 little extensions left, so I never put mascara on, and I need to get a fill, but that's okay, that's another topic. But yeah, this is just what I've been doing every day. My biggest thing is to have clear skin and like have my skin look healthy, so that's why I like prepping with like the exfoliating wipes and making sure that I take good care of my skin beforehand, because that to me is so important, and that's why I wear makeup, is to enhance my skin. So I just feel like all these products I've used just like make me look just a little bit better, but still like myself. So it's more just about being confident in your own skin and just having these products to enhance it. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this makeup look. It's super, super simple and easy. Like, it's not anything special, but I want to show you guys what I do every single day. It's so easy, and you guys can definitely do this look if you guys wanted to. But let me know what you guys thought of it, and again, help me out here, guys, and tell me what type of videos of mine are your favorite, what age group you're in, what stage of life you're in, what you guys are going through. Let's open up in the comments. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and for subscribing, and just for honestly being there for me, because I don't say that enough. I only say that if I hit like a milestone, and I want to let you guys know in just a random video that I love you guys so much and that you guys are my best friends. And seriously, thank you for watching my videos and for supporting my channel, because it literally means the world to me. So I love you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.